Hallo ihr Lieben,
it's KEZZ
und Max.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're going to pick up some stuff for our shelter dog. Where?
Da rechts.
Huh?
Ja.
Maybe we get something like this because we don't know how big he is. Oder?
This is just the band.
Yeah, it's that. Or like this. This is extra small. Maybe we get medium. Or this is small. Is this big enough? Maybe. A few moments later.
Short, but the body, it is a big body. So that's why I don't think this fits. This is for the kidney. I know that this looks for the kidney because it's not broad, the bank, but I wonder, we can make this big. Or we just get something like this. No, because it's not good for him if he has an accident, right? And he needs this.
Autobahn?
Yeah. ...140 kilometers per hour. No, don't drink my coffee. That's my coffee, honey. You're very lucky that it's so hot.
Got me a coffee from the Rastplatz. Do you like my coffee?
Which coffee?
Time check, it's 5:47. So I guess we're going to the restaurant because I'm hungry.
Genau.
Then we're going to pick up our goofball.
Our goofy ball?
Yeah, our goofy ball. Welcome to Moodling. Ende. Was? Tight. There it is. There is the Chinese restaurant.
Oh.
That's Chinese restaurant.
Und wo ist der Parkplatz?
So now we're back with our mask. Time check, it's 6:16 and we're going to the restaurant. We're on our way to the address where we pick up our booty. 18A. 18A. Right? So we're on our way to the house or the shelter where we pick up our Goofy. You can already hear the dogs barking. So we need to bring the paper, nicht?
Hast du das Paper nicht mit, sagt sie.
Huh?
Hast du das Paper nicht mit? You get the paper?
We have to get the papier. We have to go back because we forgot the paper. The paper is important because they're going to release Goofy if we have the paper. If we don't have the paper, then there's no Goofy. It's here in the car, so
We will see if it's here in the car.
open the trunk. Let's see if it's there.
No?
No, it's there. Good.
Yeah, you stored it very well.
Yeah, of course. So I hope everything is here. Everything that we need is
moments
here.
later.
So guess what? We're going back again because we have to get the leash, because this one is not allowed. You know this thing.
Hello, grüß Gott. Hi.
Hello, Goofy.
Wir machen hier ein Foto. Ein gemeinsames. Oder hast du schon? Put him beside you. Yeah, and let's take the leash. Okay, good, done. Ich sage alles Gute.
Wir sagen vielen Dank.
Yes, it was very nice to meet you. He's really a very good dog. He just needs special care at the beginning, okay? Good. And we'll wait for your happy story. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Danke.
Hi guys, so we already got Goofy. That is our little Goofy. Goofy, Goofy, say hello, 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 it's me, Goofy. We're home. Home now.
See you on our next video.